I can confidently say that this is the most important video that you ever watch on any strategy. I'm going to break down the advanced Quasimodo strategy with examples step by step. Make sure you watch the rest of the video so that you understand exactly what I look for every time. All right, welcome back. So what you have right here is a classic Quasimodo strategy, advanced Quasimodo setup right here. I can tell you one thing. This is all you need for you to become a consistently profitable strategy-wise. If you can master this, I can guarantee you that you have the ability to literally download money, but there's a catch. So watch the rest of the video, okay? Let's get into it right now. So what you always have to look for in the first place is the overall direction of the market. Where is this market headed? Is it uptrend or is in a downtrend? So once you have that figured out, then you have to trade in the direction of the trend. So for example, you can see that this trend has been going to the downside, right? Therefore, I'm looking to take advantage of what? Sells. So you can see that right now we have a drop, a push to the upside and then a drop. Okay, we have a rally base drop. Okay, once we have that, we always have to make sure that there's a breakout structure to the downside. And I always recommend that the candles that initiate this break of structure are made of big momentum candles, because we understand that big momentum candles are inefficiency candles, and inefficiency candles is a sign that there is unfulfilled orders above or below those, below those candles, right? So we always have to make sure that we are looking for those candles. And then very important, you have to go to the lower time frame and find the order block at this level right here. Remember, the order block in a bearish case is the last bullish candle before the bearish move, and the opposite for a bullish scenario. And then once you have that one, come to this level right here. Make sure you're looking for liquidity. It can be eco highs, it can be a trend and liquidity, or any type of liquidity. For example, we also have the Asian liquidity, Asian session, which always acts as liquidity. So make sure you have that figured out. Make sure there's liquidity somewhere. However, sometimes you won't have any liquidity. You might have the Asian session. Okay. And once you have that, wait for those liquidity levels to be taken out. Once it has been taken out, wait for the price to come into your area. And once the market has come into your area, wait for the bearish pin bar to be formed. And once you have it, execute the trade while predefine your risk and your potential reward. Remember, always respect your risk management, because no matter how beautiful the setup might look, the outcome always remains random. Therefore, you cannot over risk. You cannot afford to over risk on any given trade. All right. So this is what we have right here. Beautiful setup. And if you can master this only, you I can guarantee you that you can be profitable strategy wise. You have to now work on your psychology and risk management. All right. So let me just show you the trade that we took on AUD right here. Okay. So let me just show you this right here. It was a beautiful 1 to 18 risk reward ratios trade. Let me just show you what happened and what made me take this particular trade. Okay. So you can see that right here we have a trade on AUD on the 1 hour time frame. Um, a beautiful one. Let me just show you right here. So the overall trend of this particular trade has been to the downside. Therefore, I looked for a rally based drop. Right now, you cannot properly see it, but I'm going to show you. This is a rally based drop supply zone. And then we had liquidity. We had equal highs right here, which were left behind. And then once we have these equal highs, I had to wait for the market to come and take out these equal highs. And coincidentally, we had the Asian session acting as liquidity as well. So once that was taken out, I was able to come to this level right here, wait for my entry signal, and I was able to execute this particular signal. You can see that this trade was shared in our private community. The stop loss was 7 pips and the target was 1.7 pips right here. Let me show you what is happening right now. This is what happened. This trade was taken yesterday, and to just today, the market has gone almost. This is like 1 to 17 risk to reward ratio, and our target was like 1 to 18 risk to reward ratio. We're literally 1 hour away from reaching our target. This is a beautiful trade. You can see. Let me show you what was here. Let's go to the 5 minutes time frame. So it's always important that you do your multiple time frame analysis. Start from the higher time frame, make sure you are trading in the direction of the market, and then you go all the way to the lower time frame so that you can have that sniper entry. Okay, it's very important for you to be able to get that beautiful candle that is going to actually allow you to have that small stop loss, which inherently going to cause you to have a bigger lot size. So it's always important that you go to the lower time frame so that you see exactly what is happening. So for example, right now I'm on a 3 minute time frame, and what can you see? We can see that we had a rally base drop, and guess what? That's the last candle I got. A beautiful rejection right there. I got the low and the high of that particular candle, and I took it to the right. And remember, this is the same thing that's not looking like nothing here. This is the same level right here. You can't see nothing here, but if you go to the lower time frame, you're going to realize that there's an order block which was left right there. Okay, so if you go to the 4 hour time frame, let's see what is happening and zoom out. What can you see? You can see that the market was pushing to the downside. Okay, right here. So once you have that figured out, you go to the lower time frame and find the order block at the rally based drop supply zone. And then also right here, you can see that the market left us equal highs. And once you have those equal highs, what do? You wait for it to be taken out. And also what you can see here, you can see that the Asian session was also taken out. So the high of the Asian session was faked out, and then the market came into our area. And once the market gave us an entry signal, we're able to execute this particular trade. And right now, this trade is running over 1 to 17 risk reward ratio and over 115 pips in profit. A beautiful, excellent trade right here. And like I showed you yesterday, was able to actually take this particular trade myself. Let me just show you right now. We are running almost this is about 3,848 US dollars right here, and this is the trade on USD alone, AUD USD alone right here. We held it all the way from this level right. You can see the entry was very sniper, and now the market is almost reaching our target right here. So I'm just giving a chance. If the market want we will push to the upside and taking out these highs, I'll be able to get out. And yeah, so from here we can secure about $3,370. Simple as that. Just by following our stipulated strategy, you'll be able to actually catch these moves on a frequent basis. A beautiful, beautiful trade that turned out amazing. Very, very, very good setup. Textbook setup, ticking all our criteria that we always look for in the market. So I can guarantee you one thing: if you can master this setup alone, you don't have to keep looking for any strategy anymore. Master this strategy so that you're able to do this on a consistent basis. The first time I came across the advanced Quasimodo strategy, my life changed because it opened up my mind to a new world of possibility, and from that time I've never looked back. No matter how obstacles I'm going to face, I'm going to stick to this strategy because it has proven to me that it's highly, highly profitable. All right, so that's how it is. Like I always say, guys, if you need an in-depth tutorial, an in-depth knowledge of how to be able to trade this strategy in terms of everything, the first link in the description has our M&F mastery course, which goes in depth in terms of our strategy, risk management, not only that, and also covers intensively on our trading psychology and a lot more benefits. You have me on your fingertip. You can easily ask me any questions. You can request a live chat with me, and we'll be able to actually tackle whatever you are going through. All right, so the first link in the description has you covered. And remember, you also get lifetime mentorship and lifetime signals for that. You guys, I hope you found value in this video. If you have, make sure you subscribe, like the video, comment in the comment section. Until next time, goodbye.